This lift-top center table presents a clever 3-in-1 design, making it a multi-functional piece for your home. Folded, it works as a regular coffee table, while the half-open position converts it into a convenient desk. Fully extended, it transforms into a dining table for 6 to 8 people, optimizing your space. Plus, it offers large hidden storage spaces and comes with 4 stools that fit neatly inside the table. This bug fan provides a safe and chemical-free way to keep insects away, ideal for any area. The reflective pattern on its blades creates a space that insects instinctively avoid. With soft-touch blades that stop instantly on contact, it's safe and easy to use. Its battery-powered and lightweight design makes it portable, perfect for maintaining a bug-free environment both indoors and outdoors. This standing desk converter brings flexibility to your workspace, allowing effortless shifts between sitting and standing. The large top holds dual monitors, while the keyboard tray adjusts in sync for comfort. With a powerful 33-pound lift assist, you can easily raise the height from 4.5 to 20 inches using a lock mechanism. Minimal assembly is needed. Just add the keyboard tray and enjoy a more active workday. This aroma diffuser comes complete with 10 pure essential oils, allowing a range of scents for any room in your home. Its high capacity and wave diffusion technology ensure continuous, even fragrance distribution. Set it to run for 1, 3, or 6 hours, making it adaptable to any room, including bedrooms and workspaces, for an aromatic and calming atmosphere. Clearing trapped lint and dust from the exhaust port. Keeping the vent clean helps prevent fire hazards and promotes efficiency. When using the brush, wearing gloves is advised for hand safety. It's also versatile enough to tackle dust and pet hair beneath appliances and furniture, keeping your spaces tidy and safe. This undersink mat provides an effective barrier for protecting cabinets and floors from potential leaks. Measuring 34 inches long by 22 inches wide, it fits most cabinets and can be trimmed to accommodate pipes or other features. Its waterproof material catches spills, helping to prevent damage and increase cabinet lifespan, a practical addition to any kitchen. This plastic cabinet offers practical, versatile storage options for various spaces. In the garage, it functions as a toolbox organizer, keeping small parts like screws and batteries handy. At home, it's perfect for storing craft supplies, makeup, or first aid essentials. It's a tidy solution for all kinds of storage needs, whether for DIY or home essentials. This pull-out cabinet drawer optimizes kitchen storage with its adjustable width, fitting different cabinets easily. Built with durable metal and a black powder coating, it's strong enough to hold pots and pans without wobbling. Installation takes seconds. Just follow the straightforward instructions and you'll have it ready to go in no time, adding convenient storage space in an instant. This bamboo paper plate dispenser combines eco-friendliness with sturdy support for everyday use. Its robust construction stands up to frequent use, making it a reliable choice for paper plate storage. Easily installed under a cabinet with adhesive tape, it requires no drilling, making it a simple, sustainable, and stylish addition to your kitchen organization. This tomato slicer holder offers a hassle-free way to achieve perfect, even slices every time. The gripping jaws hold the tomato securely, allowing for precise cuts without squishing the fruit. It's versatile enough for other vegetables like potatoes and onions too. Durable and dishwasher safe, it's a great tool for keeping prep work consistent and easy to clean up. This industrial-style wine bar cabinet adds a stylish flair to any room with its black metal mesh doors and dark gray oak finish. Ideal for kitchens or living rooms, it offers plenty of storage, including 4 cabinets, a wine rack, stemware holders, and an open shelf. Access your favorite bottles and accessories effortlessly while adding a statement piece to your home. This spice drawer organizer set includes a 4-tier rack, 32 empty spice jars, and 386 labels, making it easy to keep your spices in order. The sturdy inclined board design allows you to see all spices at a glance, ensuring quick access during cooking. Easy to clean, it's a practical addition to any kitchen, providing a tidy and accessible spice solution. This electric hot plate is a handy addition for quick, versatile cooking. With 2 non-stick cast iron plates, it's easy to clean. Just wipe with a damp cloth. Adjustable temperature controls allow low, medium, and high heat settings. Compact and portable, it's perfect for camping or small kitchens. Safety features like non-skid feet and indicator lights add stability for worry-free cooking. This shoe storage cabinet keeps your entryway organized with a rustic brown finish and hidden flip doors. Suitable for any style, it stores 24 to 32 pairs and has adjustable shelves for different sizes. The top surface can hold plants or small decor, adding both function and style to your entryway or living room, keeping your space looking great. This trash can offers a spacious and efficient waste solution with color-coded liners in green and black for easy sorting. A stainless steel foot pedal enables hands-free operation, keeping your hands clean while disposing of waste. Its slow closed lid ensures quiet disposal, reducing noise, while a lockable lid feature holds it open when needed for bigger tasks. Functional and convenient. This durable dishwashing rag provides a scratch-free way to clean dishes with its gentle diamond grid weave. These rags are highly absorbent and quick drying, making them efficient for wiping surfaces. They're reusable and space-saving, as you can easily hang them to dry between uses. A reliable choice for kitchens, they help keep your space tidy and your cookware spotless. This comprehensive first aid emergency kit includes essential items like bandages, ointments, gauze, and antiseptic wipes. Packed in a zippered case with clear pockets, it keeps supplies organized and accessible. With 2 layers and separate compartments, it's designed for quick access in emergencies. Ideal for home or travel, it ensures you're prepared with all the necessary items. This versatile vegetable and fruit peeler doubles as a cleaning brush, making it a 2-in-1 tool. The cylindrical handle provides a comfortable grip, making peeling potatoes or scrubbing fruits effortless. Its rotating design allows you to easily switch between peeler and brush function, keeping the blade safely stored when not in use. Perfect for efficient, multifunctional kitchen prep. This lid cleaning brush set simplifies cleaning with 3 uniquely designed brushes for effective results. The bottle brush head rotates 360 degrees while the other brushes tackle corners and different surfaces. With hanging holes, they're easy to store and allow for proper drainage after use, keeping everything organized. A convenient tool set for spotless lids and bottles. This seed corer offers a quick solution for removing cores and seeds from fruits and vegetables with ease. The serrated blade requires only a twist and pull to extract cores, saving time in the kitchen. Great for pears and peppers, it's a versatile addition to your prep tools, helping you create recipes quickly and efficiently for a hassle-free cooking experience.